today we are now on Chapter 3, the hunt for the Great Bird's Lair. So here, it's not a level, it's just a cutscene. This looks really weird. Oh, little campfire. I'm tired. Okay. Oh, Ringo! Where did you come from? Wait, okay. No! Don't. Toad's mad. Okay. That was just a little cutscene. So, next up we have is Piranha Creeper Cove. Adventure! Whatever. Oh yeah, Piranha Creeper. This is an easy level because it is I'll tell you it is an afternoon stage. Because if they are morning, they're easy. But if they're in like a lava level, they're difficult. Well, I went over here. Oh, ah! Dude, watch it. Okay, we did it. I didn't collect any emerald. Yeah, I didn't collect any emerald. I'll try to look for a guide to help me get all the emeralds. Oh, 2 pages? Okay. Okay, next is Breedy Hole Swimming Hole. These are all underwater levels. Ready for adventure! Oh, I like the music. Oh no. How could Toad hold up some plants if he's underwater? You can't do that. Ah! Yes, guys, we finally get a star. Okay. Right here. Nope. That's it. Oh. That doesn't work. Where's the star? Oh, right down here. Okay. I'm farting, excuse me. Come on. Come on, cat. Oh no. Why am I surrounded? Come on. Woo! Where am I teleporting to? Oh no, I'm back from the start. What do I do? Oh, wait, whoa. I think I did something wrong. It's the red pipe. Okay, the red pipe will take you up here. All right, I need to zoom in my camera because, like, the view for this one, not so much. Okay. Whoa! Oh, shoot! Take it easy, bro. Boy. What? Hey, up. Thank you. Oh, watch your poking. Watch your poking skills. Again. Oh no. I don't know what you do. What do you do? I don't know what you exactly do. Right here. Hey birds, right here. They're not helpful. Doesn't like me. No. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Okay. And we have a nice emerald for us. The third one. Yeah. Oh, the third one. Okay. Don't worry. I can do this. I know I can. I practiced this a lot. Oh, jeez. Oh, take it easy, bros. What? Oh, no, I died. Okay. Don't worry. I got a game over game, so we have a good amount of lives. Okay, I know what to do now. Okay, we are in that emerald. Okay, so whoa. Okay, let's go up here. Where's my camera? Oh, there. Okay, there I am. Okay, Okay. Oh my god, it worked! Okay. No. What's the green pipe? The green pipe might take you to the star. No! Oh, watch your poking skills! I don't want to get poked in the face! I'll get a boo-boo. More like boo-boo bear. Don't ever do that to me. Ah! Okay. We have all the... whoa. Okay. I don't know what am I gonna do? No. Oh no! I'm distracted! Ah! Okay. Alright. There is a nice emerald for us. We can't collect that. Alright, whoa! Yeah. Yes! Mission complete! Alright. I was trying a Captain Toad plush because since I love this game. Okay, next is Turnip Cannon Jungle. Oh my gosh, this sounds like the soundtrack of the jungle from Super Mario 3D World. Oh no, we are gonna fall down somewhere. Oh no. Ah! No. Ah! No! Come on. It's so old though. Launch. Lots of turn up. Oh baby, let's go! Let's go! Oh yeah, the baby. Alright, so we're supposed to shoot turnips. Got it. Okay. Exit. No more enemies. No more pain. Alright, I don't want to have cause pain. Doesn't give us... give me something that's useful, like a mushroom. Okay, well fine, I'll take that. Okay. Yes, we did it! Alright. Next level. Alright, we collected 1 emerald. Oh, 1 page. Oh, what's that? Okay, we have a bonus again. Oh, whoa, okay, let's do that. Okay, let's do coin galore. Reaper Adventure! It's Super Mario 3D World, and it's double tear. Let's do that one. Why can't I be? No! Oh my god! Oh my god, me! Let's go! Huh? Yes, 162. Okay, that was nice. Okay, now let's back to the other level. Okay. Alright, okay. Okay, Shine Squad, that is it for part 3 of Captain Toad Treasure Tracker. And what was the chapter called? The Hunt for the Great Bird's Lair. Okay, so now we are gonna do, not that one. Okay, so now we're gonna do Onward Captain Toad. Okay, so it's time to end the video, everyone. So that was a short one. Okay, so make sure to check out my channel and even smash that like button. And I will see you all guys next time on the 4th part of Captain Toad Treasure Tracker. So, bye guys!